We have not traveled together as a couple with a tour group ever in 30 years. This is our first in Cuba with Classic Journeys.
To me, there's a major misunderstanding about Cuba in the U.S. in terms of the safety issues and the approachability. The internet's challenging, the information about hotels is challenging, but Classic Journeys, they make you feel like an insider. It's so simple and so easy, really, and people are so friendly and warm.
Contento que hayan venido a visitar.
We are so happy that you came here to visit us.
La cesta de café, 13 kilogramos.
This tour is really about supporting the Cuban people.
We're here, we're seeing great things, beautiful things, and everything we do, you know, the dollars that we are feeding into this trip is really transcending out to the Cuban people, and it's just amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. Every single guide and professional across the board that have been a part of speaking to us, they are the commodity. They're the precious commodity of Cuba.
My favorite mode of transportation is our cars.
Classic Journeys enabled us to dig deep into, you know, this complicated culture with very high-level professionals talking to us.
We start with the speed.
Well, like in someone's house eating dinner. I mean, you know, these are the things that no matter how good she is planning trips, we're not going to experience what you experience on these trips.
I have yet to send a photograph home because the trip is so much more than an Instagram shot.
The strength of these people is just incredible.
Cuba's very rich in culture and food and art and music. And there are deeper stories behind this particular experience.
Sometimes you're going away and you just want to be away from everybody. But it's been amazing that people that are on this trip, how much we have in common. And it's been just as much fun meeting them as the Cuban people. Really, it's been an important part of the trip.